Hey guys, there's a heap of people that have asked me how we sorted out the springs on the rear of Rust Bucket. This is the Killerbody 79 on an Axial SCX10 II. Pretty simple. Body mounts and so forth I'll go through as well, but it's pretty much velcroed on and it works quite well. So the front mount has a Velcro ABS plastic tube, square tube, and then underneath, under the bonnet, it's literally the other side of the Velcro. Works really well, and the rear is the same. So we've basically built a bridge of ABS. They're lightweight and very, very strong. And the back of the car, probably should paint the underside, I guess, but that's what we've got. And this is the item that's questioned so often. It's basically a piece of extruded aluminium, fairly straightforward. It's not exactly a huge job. Piece of extruded aluminium which you literally just cut down to size. I've cut it on this angle because it probably looks better, but that's about it. A little spacer there to keep the shock away from the chassis, and as you can see, nice clearance. Sorry about the dust, but that's pretty much it. It's fairly straightforward. So as you can see, we've gone forward of the center of the axle, so the angle is facing forward, and that gives it really good articulation. However, if you wanted to bring it more upright, it's less articulation, but you will find it's going to create more of a problem, I think, for the Killebody's low profile rear. So, and the reason that we've done this, for anyone else who cares, is that there's not a great deal of room underneath this. So as you can see, she fits quite nice. Just take a measure, work it out for yourself. It's fairly straightforward. Yeah, works quite well. It saves you taking the shocks through the tub. So it sits there nice, apart from the cable hanging out. Looks pretty good. The rust and all the rest is just an early attempt of painting rust, but kind of works. I think it works anyway. Yeah, anyway, any questions, give us a yell. Cheers.